Hi, welcome everyone to this channel. So this video we're going to look at how to create or change a Facebook page URL. In case someone wants your page or the URL of your page, you can just enter that URL for the person. So we are going to create a customized URL so that it will be professional for us to share it on any other platform. So without wasting my time, let me take you to the screen out there and let's do it. So first of open your browser or your Facebook page. Okay, so on your page you come to this side. Okay, on your page you come to the side, you see your page arrow here or your page icon here. Tap on that one, you see the pages that you want to use, so you can choose the page that you want to use. So I want to change this page name. I hit on that one, then wait for it to load, and then you come back to that same place, come to this side, and you see settings and privacy. The arrow here, hit on that arrow, you see the settings out here, hit on that setting, then it will bring you to this screen. So this screen, we scroll down and come to this side called page settings or page details. Don't do nothing here, or check for audience and visibility. Come down to this page setup. Okay, hit on that one, then you see the page setup here. We have that's my page here, the page name, and then the other stuff. So come to the page name out here, hit on the arrow here, then it will take you to this side. So this side you can change your page name, and then you can change your page URL. To change the page name, I hit on this one, then I enter the name that I want to enter. Okay, I want to use. So it says note, if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. So if I change this name, I need to wait for 60 days more before I can change it. So let's check for the URL. Okay, so this is my URL. So if I want to change it, I'll just hit on it and then enter any name. So if I enter a name like this, Facebook will check and see if the URL is available. So this one is available. I'll just hit on save to save it. So in case someone want to message me, okay, so let's say I use the old URL here and someone want to log in or check for my page, I'll just give him or her this page. Okay, so if I open it like this, then I hit on enter and then go, it will take them straight to my page for them to see everything that I have on my page. So there's no need for you to be entering a long URL and other stuff. So this is the easier way to change page name on Facebook or page URL on Facebook. If you love this content or it gives value to you, subscribe to this channel. This channel will provide you a step-by-step guide on how to optimize your social media presence, your Facebook and other stuff. So subscribe to this channel, join our team, let's go together. This page, we don't do magic everything and other stuff that will confuse you. We take you to a class so that you will learn everything step by step. Thank you for watching that. See you in the next video.